Hi, lovey-dovey!
Hello!
Sabi niya, me too, Mama and Zizi. Love you! Hi! My lovey-dovey. This is the out?
Oo, kasi tingnan mo, ang camera naman 6. Parehas ko siya. Parehas ko siya ng camera.
Paano tong lovey-dovey ko? Bitaw? Ayan, this is Zizi. Zizi, can you show your present? Daddy's gift. Ayan, binila namin siya. Ay, ngayon namin ibibigay yung binili namin sa kanya so that pag naiwan siya sa backstage, hindi siya masyadong bad trip or mawawala. Sana mag-work.
Jude?
Are you excited? Okay. Backstage kami dumaan.
Artist.
Ma-artist. Hey! Wow, pa, you look good, tita.
Wala pa nga, pantulog ko pa lang ito, nak.
Wow, we're backstage.
Kumain na kayo?
Kiss, Popsi!
Ay, ikaw yata mag-show.
Uy, huwag mong gulahin ang hair ni Popsi.
That's okay.
Wow, what's that? May shopping ka na ano. Hindi mo na kumakakan.
Senpai.
Yung mga, ano, si Wency, sa kanila na. Si Wency.
Ay, nako, papa talaga. Ah, meron na siyang ano. So, ano yan, Jude? Ano natin? Charge?
Oo.
Pero ano na siya, full bat.
Wala nang memory mga
Wala na memory
yung wala pinipicture.
Lahat pinipicture na to.
Ayun na.
Naku, ayaw na tumigil.
Tayo na tumigil.
Hero.
Mami, picture tayo.
Picture tayo? Okay. Back natin. Wait, back natin. Yan, picture tayo.
May isang kamerang bulag.
Again. Wow!
Sa 24 camera, may kulay black. Kita ko yung office meron. Yung katabi ng office wala.
Cute! Ow! Dinurog mo yung feet ko.
Mami, picture.
Uy, anak. Ano ba yan? Sira. Don't hold eye! Hala ka. Ba't ginanon mo? Hala.
Pasok kayo.
Sige, okay lang po.
Hindi yata tayo friend dun eh.
Messenger na lang.
Good evening, everyone. Salamat po sa dalawang mga palakpak. sigawan pa ako narinig eh. Yo! I did my best, but I guess my best wasn't good enough. 'Cause here we go, back where we were before. We strangers, wondered if we all stay, oh, heading out the door. Sige nga, kayo nga. Right! Had it close to me, 'cause I know she did so easy. It was a style. I wanted her to hurt me and not treat her like a friend. I wanted her to say that we someday. I came calling on my knees to ask her back again. Don't you have to want a lady till the end? Oh, lady, yeah. Well, I thought that she'd break down. Somebody's heart. Now, everybody now, Pocket Cook. Dimata, ang siyang madalas na iwan ng dilawan. Now, one more time, Pocket Cook. Thank you po.
Hey guys, so this is the skincare that I have been using lately. It's called
I have Mama's
Shaw and
phone
More
and Gigi's phone. Gigi's.
Shopee. So ito yung lately ginagamit kong skincare. Mga ilang days pa lang, but I think okay naman siya sa akin kasi ang first na tinitignan ko sa skincare is if magbe-breakouts ako.
Which is
So,
wala. Clear
eto,
yung face
wala.
mo for the
Hindi
past
naman-
few
oh,
days.
kasi nung last week parang nagbe-breakout na
May
ako.
mga few pieces.
Tapos, so ito yung toner, sensitive tonic. This line is also vegan friendly and it's made in Germany by Dr. Spiller. So, yun pala siya. Yung company. So, yan. Nalagyan ko na. Ay, yung serum ata. Tapos ko na ba? Yung serum, I think, sa lower part. Ganito siya. I also like that it's hygienic. Even yung cream niya. It's hygienic. Hindi mo kailangang i-saw-saw. I-dip yung finger mo. Tapos, madadirty na yun. Madadirty. Yung the rest of it inside. Ito siya naman yung, so this is the serum. This is the toner. The serum is shorter. And this one is the cream. Ganun din siya. It's also a pump. Yeah, meron siyang subtle smell to it. Yung toner yung napansin ko talaga. It's like rosy. Yung scent niya.
Sorry.
Siguro it will take me like 2 weeks to really have like comments about it. Or to really decide if i-promote ko talaga siya. Kasi ako, I don't wanna promote something na I don't really use naman. So, humingi muna ako ng sample products for me to try. Yung serum niya, madaling ma-absorb. But this one, I think it's medyo mafe-feel mo siya na may cream on your face. But I think I like it like that kasi I really like it to moisturize my skin. pero about the stickiness, hindi naman. Just makes the face feel soft and nafe-feel mo siya na may moisturizer, but it's not really sticky. Para siyang makeup primer yung feeling. Yan, so ganyan lang ang skincare ko. Usually kasi, before, skincare, ito lang, Cetaphil. And then kung ano lang yung mga serum na binibigay sa akin ng friends ko. As long as hindi ako nag-breakouts. Ginagamit ko lang sila. That's it. Walang masyadong anything. I just like to brush my hair. Oh, I really love this brush. I love this brush. It's a wet brush. Tapos, ganyan siya. Pag diniin mo siya sa head mo, sinusundan niya talagang, sarap.
It's not very well.
Oh, love, what are you doing?
Turning a picture.
You wanna stop it?
Shane, congratulations for getting this package. Ngayon, I'm attaching this video para ma-explain ko sa iyo isa-isa ang mga nasa loob ng package. Simulan natin dito sa drawing. Naalala mo ba yung nag-message ako sa iyo tapos tinanong kita ng, if you have all the money in the world, what will you be doing now? Tapos ang sagot mo ay, I would be traveling, going on retreats with soul-aligned and heart-centered people and going on adventures all over the world with my family and loved ones. So it got me thinking, how can I show my support to you para I can help you achieve your goal or yung mission mo? Kaya I decided na magpa-hand drawing ng dream mo. At ito ang result. So ang nalagay ko dito is you going on a retreat in the forest with adventures such as zipline and tent. Hopefully itong drawing na ito will serve as a reminder or parang dream board mo na you can look at every day. And also remind you na I'm here to help and support you para ma-achieve yung goal mo. Now, you might be asking, why am I doing this? And how can I help you achieve this? Dito papasok yung next part ng package, which is itong book, na Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. This is one of the best books of all time kung saan he interviewed the most successful people at his time tulad nila Andrew Carnegie, Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, and John D. Rockefeller, and many other billionaires and tycoons and elites of his time. Super valuable sa akin ang book na ito na I had to buy it, but not the modern Think and Grow Rich book na makikita nyo sa bookstores, but the original copy of the Think and Grow Rich. It's super rare. You can't even find it here in the Philippines. In fact, I had to order this in the US just to give it to you. Ngayon, bakit? Kasi isa sa mga pinaka-powerful concepts na andito sa book is the concept of having a mastermind. Kung saan...
Mom, I just have like a few questions. Kasi if ever I will be bringing my my son. So, paano yun, ma'am, sa hotel? Could I get a separate room for them? Ano ba yan? Am I sharing rooms with others? Ganon. Hello, ma'am?
Hello po?
Yes po. Ayan, pag yung sinabi niya body system.
I'm so sad.
I'm so sad right now looking at this because I got invited
Hi, Michelle! Congratulations for
by
getting this
the
package. Ngayon, I'm
Fibo
attaching this
Lim.
video para ma-explain ko sa'yo isa-isa ang mga nasa loob ng package.
Pakita ko lang this part first.
Nalala mo ba yung nag-message ako sa'yo tapos tinanong kita ng, if you have all the money in the world, what will you be doing now? Tapos ang sagot mo ay, I'll be traveling, going on retreats with soul-aligned and heart-centered people and going on adventures all over the world with my family and loved ones. So in
Di ko na pause.
show my support.
Anyway, yun. That's what I want. Yun ang vision ko. That's what I want to be doing if I had all the money in the world. Syempre, I would travel with my family and meeting people, soul-aligned people, tas going on adventures. Kaya yan ang ginawa nila. Although, more kikay than that. If it were me, I'd be more kikay. But it's so nice, super cute nito. It's the first time I had yung ganyan made na mukha ko. Super cute and everything's like so personalized. Ayan, no. My name's even there. But I'm so sad kasi hindi ako makakasama. This will be held at Bohol and then wala lang. Sad lang ako. Hindi ako makakapunta. Kasi hindi ko pa afford. Bakit hindi ko afford? Kasi, syempre, pagkasama ako, kasama ko rin si Zizi, kasama ko rin si Yaya, kasama ko rin si Spike. Diba? Soon, sana makasama ako. But thank you so much to Coach Fibo Lim and your entire team. Grabe kayo. Sobrang quality lahat. Ito nga yung Think and Grow Rich na book na to. Talagang hardbound talaga. And the classic version. The complete classic text. Lahat talaga pinag-isipan. And then, it arrived in this wonderful... Ay, goodness. Diba? Look at that treasure. I would really love to join, but I guess baka hindi pa ngayon yung time. Hopefully, soon. Hopefully, next time or on the next. I don't know. But I'm just grateful to you guys. And I just want to say thank you for all that you do for the world, to people, yung mga ginagawa niyong activities, events like these, the masterminds, and this community that you're building. I just want to really say thank you kasi you're a blessing to all, you know. I want to join. Maybe next time. So, thank you. So guys, yun na nga, yun yung struggle ko for today's video. Today, I'm not feeling so fancy. Actually, hindi okay yung energy ko and my creativity. Parang super low energy. And sad. Ganun, sad. So I chose na this Friday, today, slow down muna ako, hindi muna ako nag-Pilates or kung ano mga activity. Wala man akong ginawa. I don't know nga if that's a good idea or mas okay kung meron akong ginawang activity eh. But, ayun, yun ang pinili kong gawin because gusto ko mag-isip. I want to think things through, yung mga happenings kasi, wait lang. Ay, naku, ang gulo ko. I wanna think things through. Ay, naku, sakit ang ulo ko. Gusto ko pumunta, pero priority ko kasi talaga ngayon is CZ. And, yun kasi, lahat ng mga yan naman, the things that I wanna achieve and I wanna experience, may experience ko naman yan eh. In the future, if I want it or if it's meant for me, may experience ko na yun. Pero ang sa akin kasi, kung bakit ko priority, why I'm prioritizing breastfeeding and being with my son, is because you can't turn back time. He's not gonna be 2 forever. He's 2.5. And, diba, in a few months, magti-3 na siya. So, yun, ganun kasi yung pag-iisip ko. Tsaka ngayon kasi I'm like, if it's not for me, then it's not for me. Ganun lang. Hindi ako masyadong attached to things na now and situations and whatever. Parang, if it ends, it ends. Parang ganun. So, dami ba naman na nawala sa buhay ko. Yun lang. Pero I'm trying to understand rin myself. Why am I sad and weak and low? Or baka dahil sa mga kinakain ko. Puro ko carbs lately. Nag-ano ko what do you call that? Stress eating. Tapos yan, I wanna color my hair. Oh, baka ganun nga, no? Baka I have so many things that I wanna do for myself na hindi ko ginagawa at hindi ko nagagawa. And I keep making excuses for it. So parang subconsciously, I'm like, not prioritizing yourself, Mika. Ganyan. So yun, I decided when I got the call, sabi ko na lang, yun, sabihin ko na lang na, yung concern ko talaga. Diba? And if hindi pwede, then it's just not meant to happen. Ganun lang siya. There's always a next time. And if it's not for me, it's just not for me. Ayoko to pilit things or to stress like my partner about it. Dahil lang may gusto ako. Hindi kasi ako ganun eh. Tsaka, unahin ko din talagang to solve things. Lagi akong ganun. Super last resort na yung I ask for help. I only ask for help pagka parang hindi na talaga kaya ng body ko or, alam mo yun. Pero as much as I can, especially in relationships then and with my family members, gagawin ko lahat ng makakaya ko to do something or to help someone. Pero, ayun, last resort na yung I will ask help from my friends. That's why, eto mga happenings lately in my life, it's humbling me down na, you know, sometimes people also want to help us. No? Hindi lang natin inaalaw kasi mayabang tayo. Well, for me, hindi ko naman talaga ini-intend na maging mayabang. Pero for me, it's like more on nakakahiya. Nakakahiya, ayoko maging pabigat, ganyan. It's a trauma response and I'm aware of that. But yeah, anyway, so much to think. I'm just really gonna take my time right now. I'm just gonna rest. And I'm just gonna try to meditate and speak with God. Kausapin ko na lang si God. Ano bang plano mo, Lord? If you want me to do something, give me energy and positivity and everything. Tapos yun, nakapalpitate na naman ako and yung parang nag-uumpisa yung anxiety attacks ko. So I'm also helping myself. Kaya naman, yun lang muna ang update ko for today. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!